So we have a disk on the XY plane, and again, diri gyapon sa center. Unsay kalahian ani? We now have this as disk, right? Sabtan? Okay? Mao ra gyapon no, pero instead of just kana, we have a disk dire. Okay. So this is a disk of radius r. The radius of the disk is r, and we want to evaluate it, and again, a units away. So if this is the disk in the XY plane, okay, this is the XY plane, no? And this is the disk, and this is my z-axis, okay, morning disk in XY plane. I'd like to evaluate it at a distance a, no? From the center. So again, maura gihapon, we would still be using the same, okay, but this time, this is a disk of radius r. The total charge is, by the way, the total charge is Q. Okay? Now let's, ato ni siyang kung ano, no? One by one. What I'm going to do is, since we know that we already know the charge of the ring, gamito na ako ni siya in order to calculate for this one dire. I can actually calculate it in using, okay, maybe ako ni pabuhat sa inyo ha. I can actually use rectangular coordinate system, ana dire, and ana, but that would be very difficult. Ibig sabihin, instead of I'm going to use kani, magkuha ko gagmay nga mga dx, dy diha, right? Area. And integrate that one, or maybe we will do that. Yeah, it would be fun to do that. Pero kapoy. Tanaw lang nato. Okay? Okay, again, this is of radius r. Okay. I'll use two approach here. Okay? And diri ninyo makita, gusto man gud nako makita ninyo unsay leverage, no? When you know the technique. Because, okay, first, katong let's say wala ta kabalo unsaon ni siya. So, nakata diri, right? So let's pick a square dira. Okay? Certainly that square has charge dq. Right? Okay? So let's define lambda. dq over dA equals q over, what's the area of the square? What's the area of the square? I mean, the circle. Pi r squared, right? So from here, and this is equal to sigma, the surface charge density. So sa ato pa, may dq, the charge of that would be sigma. So sigma dA, but what's my sigma? This is q over r squared, tama? So this is q over pi r squared. Unsay akong dA? No, this is dx dy, right? dx and dy. Okay? So what would now be my electric field due to this one? Again, this has ang r nato, ang r prime. Okay? Okay, ako na isang ikuan into red ha. Okay. My r prime, this is r prime. My r prime would be what? 0, I don't know. Moment x of y, right? So this has coordinates x and y. Okay, padako na lang ako ni be. This is this. Okay, this is the center. This would be my dx dy. Okay? And this would be my r prime, right? Which is given by, okay? Kanisha is x, y, right? Okay? And mao ni siya. So my r prime, okay, what would be my r prime? R prime would be x, y, and 0. How about my r? Small ra gyapon, right? My r would be, katong point evaluation dire, that would be 0, 0, A. Okay, what is my first R minus R prime equals, again, negative X, negative Y, and A. So, R minus R prime equals X squared plus Y squared plus A squared raised to 1/2, right? So, my electric field now, due to this charge here, dE would be, okay, K dQ. So, K dQ is Q dx dy over, ang K nato ay 1 over 4 pi epsilon na, tama? Okay na lang this is pi r squared times, kani, right? X squared plus Y squared plus A squared raised to 3/2 times, okay, again, this is minus X, minus Y, A. Now, by symmetry again, my EX is equal to 0, EY would be equal to 0. So, I would only need to integrate in terms of the Z. Okay, but this is, all right. So, EZ now would be equal to, say, this is KQ over pi R squared, pi capital R squared. Cartesian na to. Kaya natin i-Cartesian siya, pero problema ni kay. Okay, pwede ra. Yeah, kaya na ng limit sana. Tarawa. Di na nato ipadayon, pero ang limits lang para practice. Dili nato i-Cartesian gyud nato. Ibig sabihin, we integrate in terms of y. So, we have the integral. Okay? Okay, dagdag ko ang limits ani. Now, asa atong integral sa x? Our x would run from dire padulong dito, right? This is from negative r to r. Our y would run from 0 to square root of r squared minus x squared dy. Unsa ni siya nga height? What is this height? Asa mo run ang y? From here to there. Asa man ni siya? This is the function. What is that function? That is r squared minus x squared, square root, right? That's why it will run from that to this. So this is my dy. Unsay dx na ako? My dx would run from negative r to r. But di na ako ni siya integrate. Okay? So, ako lang ipakita sa inyo that it will become messy. Lisod kayo kay napatay integrate dire, oh. Remember nga naatay tanawa ha, x squared plus y squared plus a squared raised to 3/2 and then ay a dire, right? And then dx ni siya dire. Unahon nato ang dy. But this is a very wait, times kulang din eh. Times 2 pa di ay. We need to multiply it by 2. Why? Because appeal pa man diri sa ubos. So times 2 lang nato siya, right? Kanilang man, ang half lang atong integral. Pwede gyapon na siya nga walay times 2, but we need to integrate from minus square root of r squared to x squared. So imagine the mess, the calculational mess nga mahitabo. So dili nato ni siya buhaton, no? I will no longer proceed kay ugma patamuhuman. What I'm going to do instead is, okay, instead of that, I'm going to use the ring. Kay gusto man ko nako ninyo mabalaan nganong mugamit man ta ana. There are many ways to solve a problem. But of course, we have to choose the one that is nga kumbaga pa mas simple. Okay, I'm going to use the ring because we know what is the electric field due to a ring, right? Okay. So, ako ni siyang i-cancel. We no longer proceed with this one. Okay, again, what was the electric field due to the ring? E of ring, E ring. Pati si ring. Usa to? QA over, usa to? Na. Ano no? 4 pi epsilon naught r squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves. So we're going to use this result. Right? So, mao ni ang electric field dire. Now, this will give me a, okay, DE would be the charge due to this ring here. Nakuha mo ng DE. Okay? So, my DE is the charge of that very infinitesimal ring. Nakuha? So, DE now would become a dq over 4 pi epsilon naught r squared plus a squared raised to 3 halves. That would be my DE. Sa kani, the electric field at this point here, maura gyapon at that point, same naman gyapon, right? Okay? But in that case, my R now would be, it would become small r. Ibig sabihin, this ring is of radius r. Nakuha? It's now a variable. Kani ang ato ang constant, which is r. Capital R. Nakuha? So, r squared plus a squared. But what is dq? Again, let's express dq in terms of sigma. Ako na yung i-erase din na. Calculate dq in terms of sigma. Sigma is dq over dA, the area of that. Remember that this is already an area. What is the area of that cylindrical ring? So, mura ramanig ka nang naakay ka na ganing, imo ni siyang putlon is iana nimo, extend nimo. So, you will have here a strip, right? Unsa ni siya? Pag imo na siyang i-stretch, putlon dira and then i-stretch, you will have this, okay? Let this length, kani, mao ni siya. And we call that length dr. Unsay taasan, unsay iyahang kuan ani? I mean, width di ay width. So unsay length niya? Ha? No, unsay width ana? Sa kani specific. Sige. Unsay width? Ay, length di ay. That would be the circumference, right? Kana siya. Which is 2 pi r. Right? So sa ato pa, the area of this strip will be, dA would be equal to 2 pi r dr. Tama? So this would become now, dq now would be equal to sigma 2 times 2 pi r dr, right? That would be my dq. So this is equal to sigma A, 2 pi, na ay 4 pi dire. So, may mo na lang, okay, by the way, R, dr over 2 epsilon naught, R squared plus A squared, raised to 3 halves, right? Sabtan? Okay. Okay? Sakto ba? 2 pi r dr. Ang 2 pi nag-cancel sa 4i dire. So, 4 pi. Now, we can now integrate this. Our E would be, unsay constant dire. We have sigma A over 2 epsilon naught. Okay? Sigma A over 2 epsilon naught. R, integral of R, dr over R squared plus A squared. Pero unsay limit nato? Our limit is, kaning ring nga gamay kaayo diri will have a radius of 0 to a ring of radius of, ibig sabihin, we are integrating two infinitesimal rings. Nasabtan ninyo? 0 to R. And we can integrate this easily. U equals R squared plus A squared. So du would be what? 2R dr. So, Unsa integral ani? Again, 2r dr so na kay sigma A over 4 epsilon naught, right? May mo na siyang 4. Kani will have the integral of u to the negative 1/2 over negative 1/2. Tama? No? Ay, tamsa. 3/2 siya, right? Negative 1/2. That's why negative 1/2 siya. Over negative 1/2. Now, ibalik na to. Okay, mag-cancel din siya. So, natay negative, tama? Okay, mahimo ni siyang cancel. Mahimo na po, balik siya og 2. So, you will have now 1 over square root of u, right? But what is u? So, sa ato pa, this is now 1 over r squared plus a squared raised to the square root evaluated from 0 to r. Na negative dire. Right? And of course, the direction will be k hat, right? Easy pa man ni, right? Easy. So let's not put... So, okay. When you substitute r, okay, this is minus sigma a over 2 epsilon naught. Now, substitute r, what would happen? That is 1 over square root of r squared plus a squared minus 1 over a, right? Tama? Now, okay, atong balihon, so this is just equal to, akong equal ng negative, so that would be sigma a over 2 epsilon naught 1 over a minus 1 over square root of r squared plus a squared, which is equal to sigma a over 2 epsilon naught times, ako ni siyang i-combine, so I would have a square root of r squared plus a squared, right? And then, that would be square root of, simita ba ni? Yeah, square root of r squared plus a squared minus a. Tama? So, mag-cancel ang a, dire. And I'm going to break this again. So, this would become 1 minus, so sa ato pa, mahimo ni siyang 1 minus a over square root of r squared plus a squared. Yeah, this is now correct. My electric field now would be sigma over 2 epsilon naught, but of course sigma is over 4 pi, di ba? I mean, q over 4 pi. Pwede na ako na siya ibutang. So, mahimong q over, asa itong sigma? Q over, di ba what's the sigma? This is q over 4 pi r squared, right? Tama? So, di na lang sa nato isip. But you can substitute. I'll just use sigma here. Kaya ako'y purpose, no? Sigma over 2 epsilon naught times 1 minus a over square root of r squared plus a squared. K hat. That would be my electric field. And it's much easier than the first solution nga itong na ano. Okay? Okay. Now, okay, this is something, okay, prepare to be amazed. No, tanawon nato. What happens if ato ni siyang himong infinite? Meaning that what happens if r approaches infinity, right? So we would have the infinite plane sheet, right? Tama? And what would happen as r approaches infinity, unsay mahitabo dire? This would approach to 0, right? Kay mahimo ra maning r. So a over r, as r approaches infinity to 0. So what do we get? The electric field when r is infinite is sigma over 2 epsilon naught. Di ba mo na ito nakuha last time? For the infinite plane, infinite sheet. Na sigma nga Saman. So, yeah, mo ni siya ang surprise. Yeah, the infinite shit. S-H-E-E-T, to be clear. Okay? Right? This is as R approaches infinity. So, di ba ato itong gidrive last time? And we get this. Sigma over 2 epsilon naught. Okay? So, now, huh? Let's have a much more challenging problem. No, ako na siyang ibilin sa inyo ha. Suppose we have a charged sphere. Okay? We have a charged sphere. This is sphere of radius r. This is a sphere. Now, what is the electric field at any point which is a distance, let's say, s away from the sphere? Now, in order to do this, we will result into a volume integral. That means that we will have a triple integral here. Times up. And it will be very difficult, especially when we do the Cartesian. Wala pa man gud tay katong gagmay nga kuan pa na. So, we will do the integral. This is dx, dy, dz, no? Dx, dy, and dz. And take the integral sa tanang kuan niya, the electric field due to every point. And that would give us a very difficult, di man siya difficult yun, pero a very messy calculation, right? A dirty, But there is a way. Fortunately, I have a good news. Okay, this is the good news. There's what we call a law that would simplify so much. Instead of going through this integral, especially when we're dealing with volume, so we will be dealing with at least 2 integration, 2 and 3 and triple integrals, double and triple integrals. We have what we call a tool, which was derived by a genius. No? Dili. Okay? That will allow us to calculate electric field as long as we have symmetry. We have some sort of symmetry. And instead of going to this, we will have only 2 lines of solution. And walay integration, may tabo. And that would be due to Gauss. And we call that the Gauss's law, which is our discussion for next meeting. How are we going to simplify it? Because if we are going to calculate this using the Cartesian integration, we will need a triple integral here. And lisod kayo pag-establish sa limit. Okay? This is a sphere. Okay? So, but using Gauss's law, this is only isa lang ka-line of solution. Adwa lang. And without any calculus. But of course, without any calculus. But of course, before the Gauss's law is this. The integral of E dot dA, this is closed integral, equals the enclosed charge over epsilon naught. Now, of course, this is a very difficult integral. This is what we call a vector field integration. And even inyong calculus will not be sufficient to deal with this one. Because in order to deal with this one, we have to go into advanced multivariable calculus, vector field calculus. So, ibig sabihin, Gauss, in order to calculate this, we need this integral. But this is a very complicated integral. Okay? But Gauss actually simplified it to us as long as we have what we call symmetry. Okay? We have what we call symmetry. Okay? Actually, ang kuhanan is double integral ni siya. No? We have what we call symmetry. Nga, this integral will become very easy. Pero, well, when Gauss derived it, of course, the dirty calculation would need advanced calculus. wala na namo ginatudlo sa Physics 42 fortunately. Kaning dire mismo. Pero how to use this one, appeal na siya. Because it's very simple to use this one. And you will know, I don't know. But the calculation of Gauss's law is beyond the end of this course. Okay? You only have 6 units of calculus. You will need more than that to deal with this one. Kay kuan man. Yeah, it is advanced nga kuan. The calculus of vector fields, we only did algebra of vector fields. Kaning manggo dili ni siya kaning ana nato no, we are not doing calculus on vector fields here. We are still doing it in R. The real valued functions. So Gauss actually made a murag kumbaga pa a mathematical machine. There are pictures of kay para sa kuan ba sa kanaganing sa kuan sa thumbnail. Sa thumbnail. Kuan the humanang hottest, the most emotional. May ana na be. Diba? May usap na be.